Polestar has just unveiled the second in its limited edition series of Polestar 2 models, the BST Edition 230. This performance-oriented version features exclusive green Nebula paintwork, MicroSuede textile for the seats and steering wheel inserts, space black paint as an alternative body color, a full-length body stripe option, high-gloss black mirror caps and sills, and 21-inch forged alloy wheels. Under the hood is a dual-motor electric powertrain delivering 469 horsepower and 501 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 127 miles per hour or 205 kilometers per hour. Also included are Öhlins two-way adjustable dampers, front strut bar, 20% stiffer springs, Pirelli P Zero tires developed especially for BST edition cars, 400mm Brembo 4-piston drilled and ventilated front brake discs, and 390mm single-piston ventilated rear discs. Its electric powertrain is designed to deliver exceptional acceleration and speed, while its chassis upgrades ensure maximum control and stability at all times. Additionally, the limited edition model offers an exclusive visual appeal that sets it apart from other cars on the road. With its choice of eye-catching body colors and striking detailing touches, the Polestar 2 BST Edition 230 will certainly turn heads wherever it goes. This ultra-special limited edition model will only be available in 230 units worldwide when it arrives sometime in the third quarter of 2023. Interested customers can place their orders now at polestar.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.